Okay, just a short video about wrapping up the course. I have graded and responded to assignment 6 and 7, so please take a look at those. You should be using assignment 7 as your guide as you do the speech. Obviously, you may have, a lot more words in the actual speech than you do showing on the outline, but that is the order that you should go in. So, we have the instructions here that are separate. There's no grade attached to this. You will post your speech link on the discussion board like you did last time, and you will view each other's speeches there. Again, make sure that your speech is public but unlisted so that we can see it. You will have a post-speech apprehension survey to complete. This is reflecting on the pre-speech that you did in week 1. So you'll have to access your submission here. And that's it. So you'll post your link to the discussion board and you'll look at your classmates' speeches. I will grade them from the discussion board and I will enter the grade here. So let's just real quick look at the rubric for this. Now you had this available to you from the very beginning of the planning. But I just want to show you the importance of going in the order of the outline and also, oh, whoops, I already had that opened up. Also having all the oral citations and everything in there. Now, don't forget you have to have a visual aid of some sort. It can be, a PowerPoint using screencast, what I'm using right now, but you have to, if you do screencast, then you're going to also have to use your webcam, and your image will show up right over here in the corner. It should. As long as I can see you, then you are able to use that, but I have to see you. I have to be able to see you for the speech. Okay, don't forget your 3 credible sources. Here is the rubric. I will point out that if you did not do any of the planning assignments, that you can't give the presentation. I think everybody's pretty good to go. If not, then you've heard from me. Okay, so here's what it will be evaluated on. Introductory statement was fully developed, original and strong, clearly engaged majority of audience in appropriate and creative manner. That's your attention getter. You've already written it. Significance of topic to audience. That's listener relevance. Credibility on topic was exceptionally developed and relevant. That's speaker credibility. Thesis was exceptionally clear and identifiable. That is the thesis preview. Okay, so that's all the introductory material. Here we get into the body. Provided exceptionally clear and logical progression within and between ideas. So the 3 main points. You cited your supporting material. So those are the oral citations. Your transitions were clearly stated. Those are the transition statements that you've written. Topic focus was exceptionally appropriate for time constraints and audience. So this is what we're just looking at the topic that you used. The closing, you clearly summarized main points in your thesis review, and you ended with a strong, memorable statement. Okay, so as far as the speaking goes, maintain consistent eye contact with all members of the audience. I don't know why there's an extra space there. Limited dependence upon notes. Gestures and physical movements enhance the presentation and you look comfortable and natural. Exceptional use of vocal variety and rate, pitch, and intensity to add impact. Let me tell you, if you have your speech written and it's sitting up above your computer, you will be counted off for eye contact and for vocal rate and pitch, because reading affects the way you speak. This is supposed to be extemporaneous, which means it's very natural speaking. All right, projected a feeling of enthusiasm. Appropriate business casual attire. Again, no t-shirts, caps, pajamas, shorts, etc. Visual aid was clear, readable, and free of all grammatical and spelling errors. Design was exceptional and reinforced in the presentation. Exceptional use of visual aid during speech to clarify and amplify a message. So you need to actually refer to your visual aid in the speech. And your speech is within 4 to 6 minutes. So this is what you're going to be evaluated on. It very closely matches the outline until we get to the actual visual, physical appearance there. All right, I hope this helps. I'm like you all, I'm thankful that this is about over. It's summer, and I can't believe we're finally here. Talk to you later.